Hey guys, this hood is something else. This is, not all clear coats peel, some erode. This is one of those eroding clear coats. But I'm going to show you what you can do about it, okay? Again, I'm going to be using the cleaner, the Lukat Fix It Color and Gloss Restore Polish, and the Lukat Fix It Easy Sealer Wax, okay? So what I'm going to do is first get my towels, put them over here, okay? Now if you look at this hood carefully, you'll notice that it's different over here, and it's different over here, and it's different right here in this area. So what's happening here is that there's clear coat right here. Right here there's clear coat. And over here the clear coat eroded. Okay? So, but I'm going to show you like this, watch. I'm going to get the same towel. I did that maroon paint job, then I did that clear coat. So I'm going to do a spot right here. Okay? So right here, there's no more clear coat. Okay? But this is a kind of paint you can blend. They blend very easily. It's just a different kind of clear coat. Some erode, some just peel like this. Can you see that? You see? Okay, yeah. So there's different kinds of clear coats. Some will peel, some will erode, some will blister, some will be shiny and just go bald, you know. And but they can all be cleaned up to a point. So Lukat Fix It Color and Gloss. This is the paint cleaner. I'm going to put some on right here. And look at the way the towel looks right now. It's nice and clean right here. But when I do this spot, remember, I don't want to strip the paint. I want to clean it. I don't want to remove the paint. So I'm going to go back and forth. This is not a wax, guys, so I don't do circles. You clean the same spot until it clears up. This is not about putting a shine on. It's about cleaning it and bringing out the shine that's already there. So I'm just polishing back and forth, same spot. I'm going to clear it up until it gets beautiful again. Remember, this is designed for cleaning. It's not a cutter like a regular cutter. Cutters will go right through it. You can see there's black paint coming off, okay? That's okay. Remember, this is a clear coat that eroded, didn't peel, it eroded. So I'm just polishing it until it's perfect again. Okay, so, can you see that shine? Okay, can you see that? Okay, that came out nice, but this has got a shine. Remember, I didn't say gloss. This has got a shine. So this is nice and shiny again because I cleaned it back and it's squeaky clean. There is no wax on here. This product is for cleaning. Now, I'm going to do a spot right here because right here, this paint job still has clear coat, okay? So you shouldn't see any paint coming off. So I'm going to flip this towel over. Like that, okay. So now, I'm going to just spot right here. Okay, I'm going to hold the towel like that, and I'm just going to go back and forth like this. Do the same thing I did over here. I'm simply going to clean it. You go back and forth, clean it until it's perfect. It's always best to do this in sections because you can actually bring back the paint job and it'll look good, not for a day, a week, or month, but for years. And again, I'm cleaning. I'm not concerned with the shine because I know there's shine there already. I just got to get past all this contamination. It's already coming out. And again, I'm on the clear coat, the remaining clear coat here. Okay, look at that. Okay, look at that. No clear coat came off. So you don't see no color like you did earlier. Okay, that's from right here. And then this is from right here. Again, does that look good? Can you see that? Okay, and no wax. Now, you don't want to use regular wax in a case like this. Regular waxes are designed to put a nice, beautiful shine on your paint job, but you want a kind of protection on there. And that's what this is right here. So this right here is glossy because it's clear coat. Clear coats just have a really beautiful gloss. They refract light so well, but the exposed color base coat's going to have a shine. So what I'm saying is that the gloss has more shine than, the gloss has got more refraction than the shine does, but because they both refract, you don't really notice the problems unless if you step up and start looking for them. So I'm going to put the sealer wax on here, and right there. Remember, this wax is designed to seal the paint. It's a sealer. Okay, you do the circles, you work it into the paint, and this will help blend the colors because they'll better refract light. So I'm just doing the circles, I'm gonna let that dry. It's always best to wait about 15 minutes to take, put that on because it hardens, it turns into a nice, beautiful, glossy shell. And then afterwards, if you guys want to add more shine and pop, you can do that. So, I'm not gonna wait those minutes, but just want to show you what it does. Okay, so, can you zoom in over here so they can see? Look how beautiful that came out. I mean, that looks beautiful. And over here, where I clean the clear coat, look how beautiful that came out. Are you catching it? You getting that? Mm-hmm. Okay, good. So, you guys have seen the videos where I do the clear coats that are peeling. You can do this. Just clean it. If you clean it, it's going to look a lot better than what it's at right now. All these paint jobs, they look nice because they were clean. Okay? Now imagine what they're going to look like when you actually wax them. So, the Lukat Fix It paint cleaner. It's a cleaning polish and a Lukat Easy Sealer Wax. Check us out, guys. Go to our website, lukatdetail.com. Check out our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for spending your time watching this. Later, guys.